Meaning of Fulbright scholarship.
Fulbright scholarship.
Fulbright scholarship.
Fulbright scholarship.
Fulbright scholarship. The Fulbright program is a prestigious scholarship for international educational exchange that was initiated by Senator J. William Fulbright in 1946. The program aims to increase mutual understanding between people of the United States and those of other countries. Every year, the scholarship supports thousands of scholars, students, teachers, artists, and professionals from over 160 countries to engage in research, study, and teaching in the United States and around the world. The Fulbright Scholarship provides recipients with the opportunity to gain valuable experience and make lasting connections that will benefit both their professional and personal pursuits.